go to settings, scroll down, and you have to go to this option, general management, select date and time. If you want to set your date and time automatically according to the cellular network provider, enable this option, automatic date and time. If you want to set it manually, disable this option, select set date and tap here. From here you can change month, date and year. Select done, select this option, set time, and from here you can change the time. After that, done. Now if you want to set the time zone automatically according to the mobile network provider, enable this option, automatic time zone. If not, disable this option, go to this option, select time zone, go to region, and from here you can search for the country. Now for convenience, you can enable this option, automatic date and time, and then automatic time zone.